Kardom Karbiang long life pen puthot pininang leitumapan project ason ke baklang pon thuji lagi so chengthan ta constituency ke parlo pon jesemet ang jokpani chimin rong piarong amikar karlitang phumen tiso lapen omphu teron piatum asopo kibisi Ronjit Tisso alangli pirthe hachit det pen ningkaning ko rapli arta playing det apita fit thoman sia jon ding chotlo bangso jok karbiari sopen ajon ki thinai bang phusi nang manlo alangli portable size mate ajon le thi hek pusitami lo charle hin thekser Ronjit Tisso school ki dun aninghang pik pusitami a hema ki sunga joini school anta che obuplo mithang gereng awar saya phan pusi sayamo kachuri bomahut Assam pen nongnam ka chethang klong International Kaziranga Borgos Resort ahempu Ronjit Tisso aphan resort along kirengji aphan woreng awar sai pekponlo normal human being ason kali pusitami lapuan kachepaduk pon thekponlong si Borgos Resort along Government Conference ki biahut Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma alangliphan kachuro pajirponlo bangso puthak mate Ronjit Tisso ke claim kedam kachepaduk puthak Rada thing no ke wanji aphan pura Karbiang long life pen Kaziranga Borgos International Resort along an humri damsi Ronjit Tisso pen chingki chethan padodam bangso phi Borgos International Resort ahempu rame saikia pensitami chingki chethan lapen Ronjit Tisso kopuson bensi nongnam ka chethang klong resort along worenga warsai chepalong ponma lapen akai kisung alama puthak chingki chethan chimom padupon tangte langponik sina chingki chethan puthak
Kardom Karbiang long life kelang rap tunduan pinilitum Karbiang long life team kan lada Kaziranga internationally ke chethang nai one horn rhino labang so ke do adim labang so angnam pia josi labang so Borgos labang so resort unku pono juga tentang lingkan net ke bapang dan lingkan net ke bapang labang so resort impu ludet pen asamang mong penang an ke chethang dolo northeast India mong sana penang ke chethang dolo dake international guest tum sistem bang pe Bollywood guest pen chenglok ladake international cuisine pen chenglok kichu ke jun ang ton se bin dake longpo domestic pen chenglok international national mane ajada nationality tum hata dake kichu ke jun pen chenglok dake me mange people lapen Assam chief minister statement ladak chu conference ke dohut samen ladak banglo lapen cabinet minister Kiran Rijiju sistem ladak banglo penangan VVIP guest dake wang pe nasi lapang so a resort along ili tu makhei pindeng sumpot sitami ladak mall along ladak mall so sudo ladak isi boutique system dolo la so boutique long si kaprek akhe tu pindeng sumpot traditional pindeng sumpot Boro Dimasa Assamese culture penchenglok penangan do ili tu karbi pindeng sumpot sitami labang so boutique long thek ponlong lo ladak ke poho penchenglok karbi choi hong penchenglok pdp kok penchenglok lapen ke lapuson jangbrong penchenglok bek penchenglok itu karbi pattern ke do laihus tami dak thek ponlong lo ladang bang ke penak an vvip ke bang adim lo lapen labang so Borgos ke pugedam hapu difu pen na golak pen bang lo polte RAC suinangi dak kohora long malo dak chariali doji concrete doji lasu concrete ke RV hapu pen difuan ke bang pu RV na ke pu jeep safari tu ham hapu na itu kohora IB dolo lapen lapu arlu an nang lut nang jeep war ina pasti labang so resort an ka chethang laan 5-star labang so a feelings ke long pon laan luxury labang so resort along si ili tu makhei sitame akhe Ronjit Tisso alang like kalitang kesamen Phumen Tisso alang like anjopani mekarlo alang lia sopu bangke Ronjit Tisso alang li ke ili tu masonra ke thege ding pujat kalilo alang lika jonta thipi la ili tu ma king phodon veji lapen alang lilaan jakong orang awi pusitami alang le kopai kemi alang lilaan cepaduk cepalak si alang li Ladakh labang so resort aim phu pen chingki chethan si aim phu se laphan alang liphan awar sai pi pono Ladakh boreng awar sai la si Ladakh in kan potsok selo Ladakh alang li na claim dun Ladakh sinai claim dun la ke khe phantai siaman penglo lapen alang li lan ajon ki thi laan jakong orang awi sitami munit ilitum ke theke ding ilitum normal size ason kali sitami alang like arnama kopai arnama arnam ki pilo alang li ajon thipigan ningjena ko ajon thipigan sitami ajon thipik pusami alang li labang so disability alang chima thesi ahem arit alang li loksi cepatir pi ponlo apai phanda alang li si chelang ponlo akorti tu phanda alang li chelang ponlo da pensi alang li pirthe hemrit don rapanta alang li si chelang ponlo lasi Ronjit Tisso alang li phan chuke damtang chief minister ke bang hut Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ke bang hut chama alang li phan ke karpa bang lo alang li phan thelong se oi toy yar hero dikhun Borgosor hero dikhun pupo alang phan ke bam alang penang alam chitame chingki chethan long la lapen alang phan ke boreng abar sai nang onani sakuri government sakuri nang ari dugma ponda arang phan arjulang jong si ari dukone nang karmi long chetamon adak CM Dr. Tuliram hangpan jigida moi nemen thana moi pusi Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma stami ningje pono kiron rijuji stami alang liphan mohor chene pono alang liphan hijumi pikanglo lapen Piju Sajurika stami minister Piju Sajurika stami alang liphan albak cheksi kanghon son piktekanglo lasi lasona bang puphan nilchum pini karbing long life stami dak an nang humri lo labang su Borgos labang su resort long Kaziranga nang humri lo labang su alang le kai la mochini ji phat ante nang li kai la mu nang chethan da kona sem hang the ma nali pu nali pai men korti ban phon
hang ke the ke chau haspani chipinar chino piaro pen bisa beramen ke nanti sun kai ne ke kadang terang kalau ben lagi gitu dan long itu ini akisar bangga itu akisar ke coba ke 2018 alon si coba ni school ke tu kelas 9 cari guru
te na school se tumo
dah kali piti high kasan school cari tu
parang deng among
kelas 9 cari masih kisu ajo masih putar kisu ketan masih exam top tu पूरे एग्जाम कितना हजार masih putar coba फिर मन के हेमदा कुल है के dari ini lo condan cot ke ibu pai sonan ke masih kecali ke ini kan kita ibu like korosa ya jadi colong le lah piala ini juga mah colong kita dulu Jokian colong kita lah itu nih ke jangkong temu teh jangkong sih yang ini kita dulu pria tempe pria gitu ta ini thong ke yang kita dulu tapi sih itu bom lo kalau pencing tak apa rute lah tu cinta tu jangko ini kita jali dulu ke cali bom sih dulu putar ke satu pasal itu bom ya ini silong mana tar juga kan ini sudah kita tahu kan kamu sih agak tangting tabu ke yang tabu lah kita rem itu inang pun kini pai bang ke kita enam pun kini bang ke kita kering ke itu enam pun ke 8 si rem pun itu kan ke dupik masih ke belai kami yang nanti biar dan baguri pen harus uan lo ke baguri nang juga jadi kita mau cini jadi baguri bang lo cici bom dak hati gudi bang ya di ruang jalan nang jui lo kalau ini lah domestik lah sinang Japon udah ada kayak ada pesan yang kampung kita kok nang itu yang ada ajuang lo kayak kalau resepsi ke itu begitu pun kalau kontak lah karena dia begitu nak cetong gitu noi janoi boleh ni yang sedang lah siap mau ke kecewang le kita pensi turun ke ni kan truk ni tu dak lo ke tu เราเป็นสิสุpasuli bom be minata ke so de yam tunda so de ide ta isi pasuli din dori bukhe beta ane embas nam khasa em problem chet ko thai ko te pasuli
तो सब बैक के क्लेम नु लंगी है कि पिलो क्लेम नु
da ke claim den mane la agara reception adu lagi la guest no ang te welcome pinang ko welcome drink pinang ko te wish du nang ko te la guest nta ni ko ke hati abra ko hansen ju ka how are you rena nta wow very nice very small one oh yeah mane English ka din da sab ke buji dun ko lam ke foreigner pina aning hon kang ko tu nang mari ko ke nang puto no ka dang do ke lo jo ta si bom lo
ante ki claim dun kisung pinia duma da
sung dun ane la sijen dun te iri keng so dun lap net hero mati nang hab kang pu dun ko ni ajeng nang ke jupo thong nang ko wang ko dam asana jalu ke keng son de keng pa kan de na ni men chum cham su tha da da ni chithan ri de persona ke dak du iklan du nang de
na cepat tante la angbo lom la chief minister chu conference do chief minister da bang lo kiran reju cabinet minister ke bang la pen la kene biju sajul ka da bang lo la so chief minister ke mama ke nali kan pilana tham kan
mama bang ke nang pur hai pas restaurant nang alu bang lo ke viswa namaskar lo ke o namaskar ke alu lu ra long su arya cho ke kini panah lo ke nang men pulo men ke Ronjit Tisso ke long su to au puto nang cho Thailand
oh
to Thailand jalo ke phiju hajira kata thang tha po narba king sab dan ke minister so ko ana sam minister gitu elo da hai ke nang lang pro ke narba wah narseng kita do phiju hajira ke
ante la chief minister kan pilo chief minister kan
ke chief minister nam pu kan ke ro mama lo tu ke ko velo pai du bong do ni du sali nang sab dia ari oma oh sali nanti tong claim ma jo harus claim ni na hoga chok sa sir tapi yang lang doktor tu bilang dong chingki thasa chingki pipo de chingki pipo aja po tong mo ni chingki pipo da athanan ko aku belegan ni hadi belegan ni ta kita mo da chingki da dam kan asing na mili lo jalo ya mathanang ne tuma tapi yang long tu bilang lo hang panacing pipo aja po nang citong jok sasar teknik dari desa teknik dari macing pipi besar matahari ke kita muta bye bye kang lo mungkin ni kan
lalu ahok lo alang li ke dak Ronjit Tisso alang li ke ajon da tipik lapen ala jon tipik kusita me alang li phan mune tum isi alang li phan da isi inspiration no song si en pono dak guest atum ke bang atum ansita me international stories atum le bang pusame areng lok tum le bang pusame alang phan handshake chipi po photo chituli po alang phan da isi inspiration athema alang li lan jon thiek pusita me alang li hem tot bok weda lo alang li ke dak la ana akathe dim na nong na ke thang klong adim long selang li boring awar sana claim do stame la dak pen ke alang to dor de po lam lo thema suri potrok pen ke bai nong pen ke alang ta hem chilang ni ari chilang ni donarap chilang ni ke alang nu versi he chipatir pi pon hem ke hot pen ke sang ave sok ave jang pong pen lok si pan khang to son se aju pan khang thang puta tumu dulu lasi alang phan chugidam tang da conference do chief minister kapin khat alam lo lasi alang li non man ke dr tuliam long hang phan ke chitong dam long nilang sitami labangso tong sekot labangso alam rdp pona intum kar ding long thomas council cm sartul dr tuliam long hang alang li la lasos akaya lamu sapu matha dun pen rdp pon pen ilitum alang litum han son son ke ilitum athema ilitum son la ke theke ding tum son la non ma Bangalore chongda damji non na company sai chitu kiji eja kongdo ke claim dame son ke lider po athema lang like ake ke dam ta cheturok pen ako jakong pia kam claim mun la son moni tum han ke ilitum lang don vek nang ji la pen itu mak kai phan ana mana peng na ke ban pithe porang ni kan churu lo anso se anam rana ma hidumi paduna anso se alang government sakuri pion sitami chok council third grade sitami chok pusi alang ninji lo asila sona porenga war sai council pen pipon sonde polang lo asi
sitami ka yang long tuliram ro hang pan ablong akha pik ana pipu pusi ninji tipik betul biswa sama na kang abot kai ke mata ya kamang ke chokta hai chunga chokta hai kai ke mata me jang ke tia chokta akam le chun de sonte ni ane tuliram ro han bangka ne chuni pi kai ke mata tipati de ana matong pi samle tuliram ro han chalo sa jong se rangoi pipo kudote na anje se ni karo ko ni ti sampo em anda pas sudi ko tum kimidita sudi ko alam jo mane cedang ko alam jo sa jong se ahogo na pipo kudote ta ni ti pipo sa me sa cholo da tu de ram rong hang kita matha ni kasi matha ding na pisante la
ane mentu to cheton na
ni cetong nam ke la pulo mo hota Tuesday Wednesday long si cetong nam tu
the appointment along
appointment ke enong lidang sama ya pulo ba
ola lo la si alang li Ronjit Tisso phan na da chief minister ki ping khat kon teng chief minister da alang li phan lam cha ka chi pia teng si Dr. Toriam nong hasta me nang lang dun po nang chari dun po jako horang nang pidun po pusia ning che thep pi no atima alang li akai ningduk pigan lo nasi nitum sami karding long life pas sami alang li fan thama cherap te sami dak adima klong anna humri si alang ya kai lamun nitum karding long life pen nal tum karding long life kelang ratu han pachini phasini tum dak lang lo pen nitum karding long life pas sami Dr. Toriam nong hang phan nali labang so news channel nang lang dun punu te nang li sami prabjin pen alang li phan IC appointment emra alang pen chingki chithan padu son te nitum ta ning the parpo আমি উপস্থিত আছোঁ বৰগছ ৰিজৰ্ট বৰ্তমান ইয়াত আমি উপস্থিত আছোঁ আজি কিছু বছৰ ধৰি ইয়াত বিজনেছটো স্পেচিয়েলি ফৰ দ্য টুৰিষ্ট বিভিন্ন অসমৰ বিভিন্ন ঠাইৰ পৰা ইয়াত আহে ইয়াত এটা মানে নেচাৰেল এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট পোৱা যায় ইমান ধুনীয়া এটা পৰিৱেশ ইয়াত আপোনাৰ নিজৰ ঘৰৰ নিচিনা এটা অনুভৱ কৰিব পাৰিব আৰু আছামিজ থালিৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি বিভিন্ন ডিছ ইয়াত পোৱা যায় আৰু আপোনাৰ ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল কষ্টিউমৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি ইয়াত আপোনাৰ বিভিন্ন সামগ্ৰীবিলাকো ইয়াত পোৱা যায় আৰু চুইমিং পুলৰ পৰা আদি কৰি যিমান মডাৰ্ণ টেকন'লজি যিমান মানে মডাৰ্ণ ফেচিলিটিছ আছে এইবিলাকো সুবিধা ইয়াত পোৱা যায় গতিকে বৰগছৰ নিচিনা ৰেষ্টুৰেণ্ট ৰিজৰ্ট আৰু কাজিৰঙা ক'তো নাই বুলি আমি ভাবোঁ গতিকে ইয়াৰ জেনেৰেল মেনেজাৰ আছে তেখেতৰ পৰা আমি সম্পূৰ্ণ বৰগছৰ কাহিনীটো মানে আৰম্ভণিৰ কথাবিলাক আমি জানিম
Well, it's been like more than 8 years that Borgos came into existence. The owner is very creative and he is so creative that you can see when you come in Borgos, it's completely surrounded by greenery. It's completely very creative. You can see like from the entrance itself to the rooms, like it is completely jungle. You'll get a jungle feeling. The main purpose in Borgos is to keep guys close to the nature. That's why we have come up with this property. Like in Borgos, we have 56 operational rooms. right from the executive, then executive deluxe, then luxury, then suite. We have got like the swimming pool facility, we have got spa, we have got Assamese specialty restaurant, we have got multi-cuisine restaurant, we have got bar, we have got our own gym. So these are all the Indians that are in Borgos. So whenever a guest come to Borgos, we give them the best and the best of the services.
Okay.
Like and even the main purpose of the hospitality is to give the guest the best service possible. So we emphasize and we focus on this part. So apart from that, like even Kaziranga is famous for the safaris. So we get business for only 6 months in a year. So when the national park is open, then only Borgos start getting business. So in that way, like we have again come up with a new property which is coming down in Golaghat next year in Ronjit.
Okay.
There also we have got certain things in our mind. So let's see what shape it takes from. We are coming one after another like this.
So international, any VIP guests?
Exactly. See, we do lot of government events, we do lot of conferences, we receive international guests all across the world. And this time, after a long span of time, we have started getting international guests. Yes.
Okay.
But in Borgos, we get also the domestic guests who are traveling all across India.
Okay.
So Borgos is always, occupied with international as well as the domestic guests.
Any Bollywood star have come up?
Yes, we did get a lot of stars, cricketers. We get a lot of celebs, entrepreneurs. Like we get a lot of people. Like we get a lot of guests.
Yeah. Did any film society came here for shooting location, something like that, for the Bollywood side?
Till now, not. We have not got any approach, but yeah, we always get like the proposals and all. But till now, it never came into action. We never got that
So,
contact from them.
how many known staff and staff? How many staff are there total?
We have like more than 130 staff, belonging from all different parts of the place. Like we have got staff from Manipur, we have got staff from Nagaland, we have got staff from Assam, we have got staff from Karnataka, you can see. So all different places in Assam we have got staff.
Okay. So, any medical assistance here around the premises?
See, we do, if there is any emergency, if there is any emergency, we particularly take care of it. And even there are doctors like whom we give a call and then they come within a fraction of seconds. So that's why we have got our own first aid also in case there are some slight problems which might happen. So we take care of it.
Okay. Any national disaster, something like storm come up and any like fire or something like that?
Yeah. Everything is all we kept. Even we have got our own water treatment facilities. The water that people use in the washrooms are also like very purified. So like that we have got our own fire safety. We are involved with the fire safety unit. So everything is organized.
Okay. So, what about the swimming pool? We hear that lots of students need to go there.
Absolutely, yes. Because swimming pool is a main attraction of the guests. Because even the guests came for a vacation, so there is also always a kind of vibe like that. That whenever we go to places like Borgos, they need to relax, unwind. So yes, Borgos has got its own swimming pool. So whenever we have got a small swimming pool also. In fact, even if the kids want, they can use that swimming pool. So swimming pool area is always crowded by guests.
Then any feedback from the government of Assam?
Yes, recently we did a chinthan civil. In fact, we got a very good response from the state government as well as from the people coming from different parts. The chinthan civil was really a grand one.
So if the outside in the international like the Korean, the Chinese, if they come up, for them it is
we treat everyone equally. So we take care of guests like we take care of everyone else. So that's the way how it is.
Then any seafood?
Yes, of course. Seafood is not available yet, but in fact we do serve all. So we do serve all major meals. We serve Italian, we serve continental, we serve North, Assamese, everything, Chinese.
From here, any facilities for the safari?
Of course, we do arrange the elephant safari as well as the jeep safari. So guests have to just come and give their requisitions. Once we receive the requisitions, then we conduct safaris for them.
Okay. Then what is the super deluxe range from low to high?
Okay, so I'll start from the scratch. The executive room is 6,720, which is including GST and breakfast for double occupancy. Yes, the breakfast is on compliment, it's all included with the room. And on top of that is the executive deluxe, which is 9,440, which is all double occupancy. And yes, it is including GST as well. The luxury deluxe is 17,700, and the suite is 24,700.
So any for the newly married couple, honeymoons like that?
Yeah. We get lot of bookings like that they are newly married and they want to come and stay with Borgos. So we arrange like candlelight dinner for them. We give them a warm feeling.
Okay.
So whenever they are inside the room, so we decorate the room. So this is the way how it comes. So they really like it.
Oh, that means everything from international, from national, from every domestic, you have got the facilities.
Everything. See, we that's what Borgos emphasizes in giving the best and the best of the services, and we are rated 5 among all the OTA platforms. So even we get good reviews from whatever the guests they come and stay with us.
Any incidents happened for the last couple of years?
Nothing such that incident.
During COVID?
During COVID, yes, we had a lot of revenue damages, but then bookings are coming, so we are trying to fulfill those gaps. Exactly.
And during the COVID, what was the staff those were staying here for?
Like few of the staffs that had to stay here, they did stay here, and few of the staff had to go back to their native places. So but we made sure that whoever staff they had left for their home, we got them back.
Okay, for the staff, any quarter?
Yes, of course. We do provide accommodations for boys and girls as well. We have got their own hostels for that. And even we serve completely, the cafeteria stuff serves good food for them.
Oh wow, that's very great.
Thank you.
So only the other project is happening in
Exactly. We are coming up with yet another project in Rongadan, it's a place in Golaghat. I think by 2023 it should get into.
It will be the same like this?
When we are coming up, let's see what happens. It's still on the run. So the owner is completely emphasizing and from the scratch to bottom. And let's see how it takes shape.
We are from the Kaziranga live channel. We wish you all the best for the Borgos to grow, and internationally it becomes more famous and come up.
Thank you so much.